How to log in to Godaddy. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily log into your Godaddy account. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and go to the search bar. Simply search for Godaddy login, hit enter, and then if you want different kind of website hosting or website names, you could just go to this website, click on it, and you'll land on this page. All you have to do now is find the sign in button at the top right corner. Right here, click on this. Now click on sign in. If you are new, you could create an account. I'm just going to continue with the sign in option. Now, if you have the mobile application for this, you could just go to the mobile app and then scan the QR code to directly log in. Or if you just want to continue with the old-fashioned way, you can use your username or customer. Or if you have your email connected to it, you can use your email. So you just go ahead and enter your email address. Now tap on continue. Then here you could just go ahead and enter your password. Once you enter your password, you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.